Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on the Digiwards application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Digiwards app on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and tap on the login button and proceed with using your Google account to log in. Now, once you are logged into your account, if you have enough funds that you can redeem, then tap on the redeem button at the bottom left corner. You will then be asked to enter your PayPal email address. Just type in your email address that you set up for your PayPal account within the email address box. You can choose how much you would like to redeem from the above options, and after choosing your option, you can tap on redeem now. And now your process will be completed and your redemption will begin. It might take up to 3 business days to process your request and get the amount delivered to you. And there you have it. That is how you can cash out on your account on Digiwards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.